Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balawan rasha pi da ka orange nisan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Ka Dr. Maisel Amperin Lingdo ka balong ka MLA jong ka East Shillong constituency kala ay Ïaroh ka sengsan pertai Aam Aadmi Party balayalamdo Arvind Kejriwal halor ka Jingjop Kput ha ka election siya ka yung darbar tauan jong Delhi ha ka Jingjop vote ka balalong ha ka karway terik rumpang arjar arpo. Haga Jingjop vote ka Aam Aadmi Party kala Job Kput ha doon riu pulai seat na ka hinyo po tuligi seat ki badan ha po ka yung darbar tauan jong Nongba Delhi. Kadba ka Bharatiya Janata Party ka babatru yaw lakam sensyar hapo kari kala job tang hinyo seat. Ka Seng Congress, ka Janata Dal United, ka Lok Jan Shakti Party, ka Rashtriya Janata Dal kibalong ki Seng He hapo kari India kila siya panlim lendang klem da job watang ka wayru ka seat.
From my reports, are very happy with the performance of Arvind Kejriwal. And we knew that there was no second best to his service to the people of Delhi. You may say that the Congress has done very dismally there, but then that was not a surprise because after the Sheila Dixit era, we are aware that the party had taken a great beating and would take time to come back. I am also familiar with the fact that many of the Congress supporters decided to vote for AAP because they were obviously wanting to have this force that's going to be different from the current dispensation in the government of India. So Arvind Kejriwal is a fantastic chief minister. Some of his programs were fantastic. I have reviewed his power program. I have reviewed his health program. I have been told that his reforms in education, he's made a complete transformation of all government schools in Delhi and have made them once again popular in that private government sector competition. So I want to congratulate Mr. Kejriwal for coming back to office, and I'm sure that his services will continue to be good, and I'm happy to see that there's a non-saffron entity again in the country. We were all very suspicious of the fact that the Election Commission took so much time just to declare a calculation of the number of voters that turned out in the election. But I'm happy that that was a false alarm, and I'm happy to see this overwhelming victory of the AAP in New Delhi. This is a clear indicator that the era of regional forces is here, and that India is looking for representation which is sans national versions. So it will be interesting to see whether this rubs on to the neighboring states and other states that will be shortly going into elections. It's going to be interesting to watch out for Assam and the political unfolding of the politics in Assam, and I'm happy that we have a non-BJP government in Delhi, and stop looking at why the Congress didn't do well, because we never expected to do well anyways. This is a period of change, and as politics develops over the years, politicians all have to be alert, and I'm one politician that's also very alert. Shapanga jing fail jong ka political party kam day tang shapanga jing fail jong ka Congress kala day ru ka jing fail jong ka Delhi jong ka BJP ha Delhi te wanong pet sa tang ka Congress bat balay ka klam le ba pet ya ka BJP lele ka badon ka where with all baro ki download baro apo ka kti ka jong ki bakin pen kala ya ka to ka Jingjop ka ba itanat hando ka kata jong Kejriwal te ngim ong re ba ka Congress ka klam le ba ngi kiba kersyani ka Congress ro ngayo so kiba bot no ya ka ap na marba u chief minister ulala ban perform u chief minister ulala bahadu kata ka power scheme jongki ka education reformation ka health scheme. He was so much in service, and ngatharay ka to kadai ki bangin hapan don kane kadai ka ira jong ka jingkala jong ka politics sa kari India bro ko niyo iba man ki state ki regional forces ki las dang ban one Shakman. It is a very, very, very early stage. We go back to polls in 2023. A lot can happen between now and then. But the very fact that regional forces are now taking shape to fight this national onslaught of bullying of plans and programs of the government. Suddenly every state now realizes that we have to create a force for ourselves, because the diktat of the government of India is very harmful for states. We've seen that there's a degeneration of the federal structure of this country, because government of India is pumping and doing whatever it wants. We've seen what's happening in Kashmir. It's very frightful. I cannot imagine that erstwhile leaders of all political parties that have been in any ways related to the politics actually getting arrested under so many guises. Put under home arrest, put under detention, the abrogation of 370. States are now telling India and the government of India one thing: protect the democracy and the constitution that was given to us by the founders of this great nation. I wish AAP all the very best. Despite all the difficult situations that AAP was in, they still emerged so successfully. And Kejriwal is a chief minister that needs to be emulated across the country.